Here at Treadway, we're always trying to improve our products so you can improve your trailer. That's the reason we've launched our new range of spring sets. We know that a common failure point on springs is around this eye area. So on our new Treadway spring sets, we've made the second leaf curl around the eye to reinforce it. At the trailing end, we've made these leaves separate so it creates an anti-rattle effect when slipped into the slipper. The last thing you want on your trailer is rusty springs. So we've made sure all our new Treadway springs have a zinc tech finish. The feedback we got from you is that you wanted a longer centre hanger bracket, so that is what we've done. The longer centre hanger bracket makes it easier to square this bracket to a chassis frame of your trailer, meaning that the axles stay square to the chassis and the tyres last longer. You know how awkward it is to try and hold a spanner and an impact wrench at the same time. What we've done is added this tab to the centre hanger bracket, meaning that you can just slide the bolt through like that, lock it in place so it doesn't move, and put the nut on from the other side. This also means that in transit, this bolt and nut doesn't rattle loose.